view for the drive in. Not too bad. Well, here we are in Tombstone. You can see it's not real busy. Almost looks like a ghost town.
Anybody know where that is at?
Look at that. Birdcage Theater.
Not too bad. We are in
It's supposed to be haunted.
Arizona.
Tombstone, Arizona.
Here's what's his name? It goes way down there too.
Walking the streets of Tombstone.
It's probably gonna be a little shaky because I don't have my Osmo. This is sort of a
Why are you here? That's a Tuesday.
unplanned stop here.
It's like cats wearing a hat. I'll let you have that back. Not that I'm dressed in any attire.
You want to hold it now?
I'm carrying a shaded lady. I go to Boot Hill.
You want to go to Blue Hill?
If it's round.
Blue Hill?
Right, that sticker.
Down here?
See the sticker.
God bless John Wayne.
That's awesome.
It's okay if you know. Gotta get the stagecoach in here. There's another huckleberry.
I'm your huckleberry. Homeland Security.
If you want to go in, just let me know. I'll stop recording.
Kind of walk down the first time to get back
Okay.
in, way back up. Oh, I imagine any place here you can be.
Not inside.
Big Nose Kate's Saloon.
Got one of them more.
Did you say something? I thought you said something. I don't know.
See nobody's skin.
That's the logo.
There's a wine tasting. Wine tasting. Wine tasting.
We got an RV parker in here. Can you just a little bit?
Yeah, right.
The Shady Ladies Closet. What are you saying?
Say we're gonna stop and see what they got.
Uh-huh.
Old Tombstone.
Oh, we'll probably run down there.
says here.
Oh.
Maybe that's where they do the reenactment. Must be the original location. Well. Then he finally got a full size post 94.
Great.
Great.
That's what it probably was doing. Hopefully the sheep not talking or.
I wonder if we're allowed to videotape the gunfight.
Probably, especially the paper.
Daisy and sheep.
That's actually they knew it.
Just keep off. I don't see nothing that says video, no video.
Nope.
That was kind of cool. They must actually let you do panning or something here. Looks like they have it set up for that. Oh, yep, there it is. Fossil finds, fossil and shark's teeth.
Shark's teeth?
Yeah, that's interesting.
Because this is all underwater.
It would be kind of weird. I don't know. It's just kind of weird to think you'd find a shark's tooth.
They would just eye candy up there to get you in. Yep. It's on the street.
Following the sun, man.
Oh,
Better
yeah,
watch
yeah.
his gun, man.
Yeah, we left the
He's
desert.
gonna
I got
be
tired
a
of the desert.
rebel.
Tombstone years old now. Yeah.
Which technically is still in the desert, but you know.
Yeah. I come out of the desert. I'm done with dirt. Oh, yeah. I had to run my generator for 5 days straight.
Oh, yeah, this is like a little
Oh, it's a pretty view.
Yeah, it's like mini golf and arcade game stuff. That's very possible. Looks like they used to do their show down here.
Yep.
Not anymore.
Oh yeah, there's seats and.
It's all overgrown and busted down.